Cool. Steve the Earthworm here, helping you learn sight words. The next word we're gonna learn is
one, 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 one.
1, 2, 3. One toy is all we need. I scored 1 goal today. One thing I have to say,
I will be big one day.
1,
One,
1.
one, one, one.
The next word we're gonna learn is
Two, 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 two.
2 is the number that comes after 1. 2 of my friends are coming over today. I would like 2 pieces of pizza, please. 2 is an even number.
I have 2 sisters.
2.
Two, 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 two.
The next word we're gonna learn is 3.
Three,
3.
three,
3.
three.
3 is the number that comes after 2. 3 of my friends are jumping with me. I would like 3 shiny stickers, please. 3 is an odd number. I have 3 favorite books to read. 3.
Three,
3.
three,
3.
three.
Blink break. Blink break. Blink break.
The next word we're gonna learn is 4.
Four, four, four.
4 is the number that comes after 3. 4 of my friends are running with me. I would like 4 juicy apples, please. 4 wheels on my skateboard, go fast. I have 4 colorful cars to race.
Four, 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 four.
The next word we're gonna learn is 5.
Five,
5.
five,
5.
five, five.
5 is the number that comes after 4. 5 of my friends are dancing with me. I would like 5 chocolate cookies, please. 5 is an odd number. I have 5 bouncy balls to throw.
Five,
5.
five,
5.
five.
5. The next word we're gonna learn is
Six, 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 six.
6. 6 is the number that comes after 5. 6 legs make the speedy bug zoom by. I would like 6 crispy chicken nuggets, please. 6 strings on my guitar make me rock and sing. I have 6 bright balloons ready to fly.
Six, 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 six.
6.
Wiggle it out. Wiggle it out. Wiggle it out. Wiggle it out.
The next word we're gonna learn is 7.
Seven,
7.
seven.
7. 7. 7 is the number that comes after 6. 7 days in a week we dance and play and mix. I would like 7 juicy berries, please. 7 colors in the rainbow shine so bright for me. I have 7 super bouncy balls, watch them fly and flee. 7.
Seven,
7.
seven,
7.
seven.
The next word we're gonna learn is 8.
Eight, 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 eight.
8 is the number that comes after 7. 8 legs on a spider make it crawl and spin. I would like 8 pieces of bubble gum, please. 8 tentacles on the octopus wave hello to me. I have 8 magic markers drawing rainbows wild and free.
Eight, 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 eight.
8. The next word we're gonna learn is
Nine,
9.
nine,
9.
nine,
9.
nine.
9 is the number that comes after 8. I would like 9 twinkling stars to wish upon tonight. 9 players on the baseball team all swing with all their might. 9 innings in a baseball game at night. I have 9 fluffy clouds above that drift and dance so light. 9.
Nine,
9.
nine,
9.
nine.
The next word we're gonna learn is
10, 10, 10, 10, 10.
10 is the number that comes after 9. 10 bowling pins crash down when I roll the ball so fine. I would like 10 shiny rockets blasting off to the moon. 10 little monkeys jumping on the bed, bouncing to our tune. I have 10 wiggly toes that stomp and dance all afternoon.
10, 10, 10, 9, 10.
That's the end. Hit the subscribe button for more awesome songs and learning videos.